In previous video, we have watched the different types of backup strategy, and in this video, I'm going to show you the how to restore that backup file into the SQL server. So first of all, I like to connect my server. So after connecting my server, we can see our database. Our database name was demo backup. So you can see the table name also. Our table name was the demo table. So if I right click here in new query, select asterisk from demo table. So demo table, this was our table, and if I execute this code, then you can see this is our data inside the demo table, and we have already backup this demo backup database into the backup file as our file name. Inside the E drive there is a backup file, and this is our backup file. So now I'm going to show you how to restore this backup file. In this video, I'm going to show you the detailed information about the restoring the backup file into the SQL Server, into the demo backup database name. So first of all, if any problem occur, if any problem or anything can happen inside this demo backup, if this backup will delete, if this database will delete or anything will happen, then at that time we need a backup file. So first of all, I would like to delete this demo backup. So from here, so click on the delete option and just close existing connection and just click OK. Now demo backup database is deleted. Now if I want to execute that database name, that is demo table, if I try to execute this code, then it is not found. So it means that we don't have now demo backup database name. So if we need that database again, then we can restore it from the backup file. So first of all, just right click on the database and click on the restore database. So after clicking here, you can restore it from the database name, or you can restore it from the backup file. So we don't have any other database, so we are using the from the device. So just click on the three dot and you can choose the location. So inside the E folder there is a backup file, and first of all I would like to backup the main backup file. So start from the main backup file, just click OK, just click OK, and then click on the file option. You do not have to change other things in this page. Just click on the file, and if you want to reallocate this folder, you can relocate, you can change the path. So by clicking here you can, or you can leave the default. So I'm leaving the default, and click on the option. Here is the important things which you have to understand. So restore option is three options are available here. Override the existing database. If your already same name is existing on the database, then you can just click on the override button. And if you want to leave the default, or you can just append your database to the existing database, then you can just click on the second option. And you can also restrict the restore database with restricted user. You can just restrict for some user. So we do not have to click here because we have already deleted the demo backup as our database name. So recovery state is the most important things when you have to backup from the different types, when you have to restore database from the different backup types. That is demo, this is the full backup, this is differential backup, and this is transactional backup. So restore with recovery means this will bring the database as online, so cannot restore furthermore into our same database. So we do not have to choose this mode for now. And restore with recovery means we can restore database more than one backup file into the database. So if you want to restore this all the backup file, then we have to choose the restore with no recovery mode. And in the transactional backup we can choose the restore with standby or restore with recovery, no recovery. So in differential backup we have to choose the restore with no recovery. So first of all I'm choosing the full backup, and I want to add some other additional backup files, so I have to choose the restore with no recovery and just click on the OK button. After clicking the OK button, demo backup restored successfully. Now you can see this is in the restoring state. So we cannot access database, we cannot read or write database in this state. It means that we are still, we have to restore other database are remaining. So we have restored this main database file, and I want to restore again another backup file. So just right click on the demo backup, click on the tasks and click on the restore, and from the database, and just choose the device, click on the three dot, just click add, and here is a drive e backup file, and this is the diff back. So just restore the database in a sequential order, otherwise it will show the error. So just click OK and just click on the option and just choose the restore with no recovery and just click OK. So now this database is also restoring state. We have restore up to 4 rows. So in the full backup mode there is a 2 rows, and in the first differential backup there is a 2 rows, and now I'm gonna restore the third differential backup, that is diff1.bak. So again right click here and just click on the tasks and click on the restore option and database, and you can choose from the device and click on the three dot and add option, and you can search it from the E drive and backup file and diff1 and just click on the OK option and just click OK. So now demo backup restored successfully. So it means that our database becomes online by mistakenly, because I haven't choose the restore with no recovery mode. So that's why demo backup is now accessible. So I cannot add this last transaction.trn backup file into this database, because the main problem is that I have mistakenly clicked with full recovery mode, or I haven't choose the no recovery mode, I have choose the recovery mode. So that's why now this table is accessible. So if I execute this table, you can see I have up to 6 record, and I cannot add the other backup file into this database. To backup the other backup file into this database, again start from the beginning. So this is the main problem. So to restore this database, you just have to be careful when restoring the database. So I'm going to show you the again same process because of my mistake. So you will also get understandable when I do the same task again. So I just want to delete this first of all database name, and after deleting the database name, again I'm going to start the restoring database. Just click on the database and restore database and choose the device and choose three dot and just click add, and again go to the E drive. Inside the backup file you can choose the demo backup, just click OK, just click OK and just click on the option and restore with no recovery mode and just click OK. Now again right click here, just click tasks and then click restore and database, and again choose the okay path. So first backup file is our name is inside the backup file, just to diff back, just click OK, just click OK, click option, restore with no recovery and click OK. So now this is also okay. Now again click here, tasks, restore and database and device, 3.8 and E drive and backup file and choose diff1 and just click OK, OK an option and restore with no recovery and just click OK. Again go to here, just right click here, tasks, restore database and then device, 3.8 and then E drive backup file and choose the tran backup. So just click OK, just click OK and files, and you can choose here. Now we have completed the restoring the database. So now you can choose the restore with recovery, or you can choose restore with no recovery also, or you can choose restore with standby, because three options are allowed in the last backup file. So if I we can choose in the restore with standby in the transactional backup file if we have the more than one transactional backup file, but we do not have other further transactional backup file, so we can choose any of these three. So if I choose restore this standby, what will happen? Just click on the OK option. This database become read and write state. So now I can just read the database, but we cannot change the database. Now you can see we have the 8 rows record inside the demo table. So this is on the read only state. We cannot modify this data inside the demo table. Now to remove this standby read only state to our read write and all the state like the other remaining data. So just right click here, just click on the tasks and click on the restore, and just click on the transaction log and just click OK. But first of all, the change the database name. We are using the database, so we won't change this state. So just right click here, just click tasks, restore, and click on the transaction log and click OK. We have restored our database successfully. This is our demo backup. Database name as same as initial database name, demo backup, and now you can access all the table, all the informations inside the demo table. If I execute this, sorry, this is in the master. We have to change the database name, that is the demo backup. And if I execute this, now you can see our whole record, that is up to 8 rows. We have up to 8 rows, and this is the original our data, and we can now restore database in this way to access data from the backup file. So if you understand this video, and if this video is helpful for you, please do subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends. And if you have any confusion regarding this topic, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.